from Komi. Honorable Jit Peter from Pingire. Honorable Mercy Youth. Thank you. We have Honorable Waisa Joel from Busiki. We have Honorable Stella Nakwanga from Stella Maris from Bugweri. Yes. We have Honorable Nuria Teku from all the way from Kotido. Mata. Saint Richard, Honorable Saint Richard, all the way from Lugazi. What? Ricardo. Honorable Joyo Harriet, all the way from Obongi. We have Honorable Loge Loluk. Lopere West. Thank you. Apoya. We have Honorable Tracy J. Anthony all the way from Singiro West. We have Honorable Ayo Joyce McMoy. Apoyo Bino. We have Honorable Akot Angela, all the way from Tororo. We have Matembu Chris from Bubulo. Thank you, Chris. We have Honorable Koya John Calvin Chua. Thank you. We have our elder, Honorable Emmanuel Ongetho. Honorable Emmanuel, our own, from Navy. We have Honorable Adidra. Where is the Hajj? Thank you. We have Honorable Muhenda Ronald. Honorable Muhenda Ronald. Central Division, Fort Portal. Thank you. We have Honorable Achom Esther Lucy from Serere. Thank you. Thank you. We have Honorable Tuji Ikire Boazi.
NRM oye.
Katerera Ju. We have Honorable Lugwa Benson Agago.
NRM oye.
Thank you, Benson. Honorable Nangolo Umar from North Division. Thank you. We have Honorable Kitio Patrick from Kapchora Municipality.
NRM oye. Seven oye. AA oye. Two-term oye. Seven you.
We have Capion, Honorable Capion Brian.
NRM oye. Brian oye. Seven oye. People A oye. There is a region oye.
Oye, that is the baby. We have Honorable Topista Achamfua from Zombo. Thank you.
Our party. Our party.
NRM.
Thank you very much. Achampa Topista, woman member of parliament elect for Zombo District. Alum Sub-Region Oye.
NRM, our party. Okay? NRM? Our party? NRM. Thank you. We have Honorable Chemutai Phyllis, all the way. We have Honorable MP Bumali, National MP for People with a Disability. We also have Honorable Specialenza, Spe Baguma. Honorable Baguma. Thank you. Then we have, those are 30. Anybody I have not mentioned? Honorable Jacob Karvanga Ateni from from Kiriadongo. And Titi Oye. I also came with my team from my office, Honorable Ariko Habat of Ogweri. We also have Honorable Kui Constantine, that he used to be my student at campus. Thank you. He has escorted. Thank you so much. These are the members of parliament that we have brought to you, Honorable Barata, for you to be able to do all the procedures. Our work is to fish. When we fish them, we bring them home. And you know how to manage the system. And when they come back to the house, we will treat them the way we treat the rest of the members of parliament. And one thing I want to assure you, the members of parliament, that you will never regret being in the party. And we can assure you, the party that where we are is our party. We will one time we will create a meeting where we will have a meeting where we can speak our hearts out, where we can be able to solve the intrigue within the party. We should be able to solve that, so that next time we don't have so many independents. Okay? Once more, welcome home. Karibuni sana, National Treasurer. I also want to introduce the second member, Honorable Jonad Akiki, representing the Western region. Thank you for joining us. Once more, National Treasurer, my sister, I want to thank you so much for convening this meeting. And the Secretariat team, we want to thank you for always making us feel at home whenever we come here. I want to thank you so much.